This is how the interface looks. First, I will talk about the top section. The top section contains two parts: the exit button and the medicine container. The exit button is straightforward. Pressing the button will close the app fully. This will save you lots of phone battery. For the medicine container, pressing the label will switch to a different day. Easy, isn't it? Now let's move on to the middle section. We can key in a remark under edit text box that will be indicated beside the clock in. After which, press the confirm button to register. Now click the history button. Perfect job, we got the remark beside the clock in. Over here you see there is a green circle. This shows what day it is for today. However, be reminded to synchronize your device clock settings properly. If not, you will not get the correct day. And up here you have the day and time display. Again, this is synchronized to your device clock settings. Lastly, we have the bottom section. Pressing the button will register the remark according to the number you have pressed. This is a shortcut designed for the easy register of inventory count. Now let's look at the settings. Background music setting controls the music that is playing in the background. Sound effects setting controls the sounds triggered when interacting with the interface. Sound effects setting controls the sounds triggered when interacting with the interface. For example, the sound that is triggered from pressing a button. At last, we have the tutorial option here. You can go through the tutorial more than once. Thanks for watching. Do remember to like and subscribe.